Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So I got a new side job project here at my house, and it is a 2010 Bentley. And what I'm going to repair on it, you see, show you, try to get in here, right? So it has a dent right here. Yeah, right there. And another one right here. And right there. And then one here right in front of the mirror. So I'm going to repair those little dings, and I'm going to have to paint the fender and the door to do that. And then customer also wants these repainted black on the bumpers. And actually, this bumper corner has a bit of a crack here. Somebody worked on it before. And then I gotta do this chrome strip. And let me see. Oh, I gotta do this strip. Customer wants all the bumper strips redone. Oh, and then this bumper corner over here on the front, it's got this nick gouge in this I gotta do. So that's the repairs I'm doing on the Bentley. And it's a pretty nice car. Super nice car. I'll show you guys under the hood. It's not every day you get to see the under hood of a Bentley. But yeah, there it is. 6.0 liter Super Sports. And I'll be honest, I don't know much about these cars mechanically wise. Shoot, I've only even painted maybe 2 of them. And they were like small repairs like this. So, but yeah, they're super expensive. Look at that. Look at the size of that brake caliper and that rotor. Like, massive. Talk about stopping power. Jeez. And then the inside just got the red interior. Of course, got the red leather, black leather dash with the red. And it's super clean. Super, super clean. There's the back. Like, even the rear seats got the Bentley stitching. Just as well as the front. Here's the inside on the passenger side view. Very, very nice. So, yep, that's what I'm about to be working on. Make sure to like and subscribe.